Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to show you how to add money to your PayPal account using a debit card. And unfortunately, PayPal has removed the direct option to add money from a debit card for some accounts. But we have an alternative method for you. So the first thing that you're going to do is to log into your PayPal account. As you can see, I am the official website and I have logged in. Now, once logged in, click on the request option from the main menu. Right, so we are going to request. And now enter the email address you want to request money from. This could be your own secondary email address. So I'm going to write it and I'm going to continue with the video. Fine, once that you press on next, you have to specify the request details. So now we're going to enter the amount of money you want to request. In this case, I just want to I want to request only $10. And now we are going to press on request a payment. As you can see right now, the request has been made correctly. So now we are going to our secondary email and we are going to open PayPal's email. Fine, so now as you can see here, I have this request. So I'm going to press on pay right now. So now we are here on my secondary account and as you can see, and I have this request. I'm going to put on pay now. And now we have to complete the payment details. So now we're going to link our our debit card and the payment will be success. So if you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.